What's up, guys? Nick here. So I was driving earlier and looked behind me, saw a bunch of smoke. I was like, fuck, rolled down the window. It smelled straight coolant. And I was like, fuck, god damn it. Me and Connor previously already replaced the two hoses that go to the heater core. Not looking forward to doing more shit, but it's 95 Miata, what are you going to do? So looked at it, found out where it's coming from. It's the hose that goes from the heater core to the oil cooler. So the oil cooler is right on top of, well, it's right where the oil filter goes. And I actually thank God for 24-hour auto zones because your boy already found one. This is it. I don't have anything here to do it. I can't drive the car anywhere because I do not want to overheat it and risk it fucking blowing the head gasket, something. But I will update you guys in the morning because hopefully Connor will be coming here with some pliers to see if we can hopefully get that old hose off and get the new one on so I can drive my fucking car. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh yeah, that still exists. Yeah. Okay, what is up, guys? So I talked with Connor. Ultimately, he decided, and I kind of thought it too a little bit, we need to take the whole intake manifold off to even get to that hose. So unfortunately, I have to drive it as is. I'm gonna pop the hood, put some water in the radiator real quick, and then limp it down to the shop, which is only about 2 miles or so. And I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, guys, so at Connor's shop, got the car lifted up. I'm gonna see if I can show you real quick where I'm looking at. So the one I need to take off first, well, here's the bottom one. It's all the way under the intake manifold on top of the oil cooler right there. So I need to get that clamp off, and then the one up top. Okay, so I still haven't been able to get that one underneath, but finally got this one up here off. I can pull it up enough for you guys to see it right there. So yeah, it was all the way back there. Can't quite show you the tear yet, but yeah, now I just have to get the bottom half of it off, which has been a complete it's been a complete shit show. Get it? Since I've started that, it's been a while. I can't fucking do it. I'm gonna try it again, and then if I can't fucking get it, Connor boy over there is gonna have to try it for me. So, yep. Huh? What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm vlogging, guy.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
You're just now vlogging. You couldn't have vlogged how long it took you to get it off?
No, that's why I'm explaining. Like, I've been trying it and I haven't been able to. What are you doing over here?
I'm getting this thing ready for reshoot of clear because there's some fuck shit that went on right here. So this is going to be sanded with a little bit more of a heavier grit. And then this is going to have to be reshot in the color, body worked, and then the rest is just going to be done clear. So, yeah.
Alrighty then. Have fun with that. Well, I have fun over here with this.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm actually, like, done.
Done?
So I get to watch you struggle now. Why are you so fucking tall? I'm like,
I ask myself this every day.
I'm like literally looking up at you, and it makes me feel uncomfortable.
I ask myself this every day.
Get like knee reductions. Yeah, there you go. Become like 4 foot. That'll be good.
I'm squatting all the way down behind the camera right now, guys. Alright, back over here to this shit show. Get it? Shit show? Huh? Shit show? It's a shit show over here. Okay, so update. I got the fucking hose out. Yeah. So, in the process of trying to take this one off, I kind of really screwed that clamp up. Yeah, the other one was like that too. Yep. So luckily I have new clamps to put on, and now I'm gonna try and use some vice grip needle nose to grab onto the clamp and basically pry it off. Connor just sprayed me with water over there. Stop squirting on me.
Yep.
Jesus Christ, what the fuck? Spraying water out here?
Yeah, it's a little dirty. Just...
Really? Really?
What do you got going on?
Jesus fucking Christ. I wonder how that looked like through the lens of the camera.
Do it again.
It's so fucking wet, what the fuck?
Fucking Western boy.
You play way too much Red Dead. Okay guys, so I got the hose back on. I got the top already on. I got the clamp already tightened on that one. Got this one on, and now I'm just about to tighten this clamp, and then we have to add coolant because I lost a lot of it when that hose burst, and then bleed it, and then test drive it, and that's about it. Hopefully everything goes well. Yeah. Alright guys, so now it's on, heater on, it's bleeding, it's checking for leaks and stuff. Everything seems to be good, no leaks. Yeah, so far everything checks out. Hopefully we're good. So this is kind of the video now. I don't know if I might kick it here with Connor. He's over here doing his over here doing this.
Yeah, I'm sorry. What are you recording?
Your ugly ass.
Oh,
Your ugly ass.
that's rude.
But yeah, she's all right. She's looking good down there. That one's looking good. I know you can't see it from here, but full level is staying. Should be all right. Yeah.
I finally hit puberty, Nick. Go. Just like that. We have our Basasaku exhaust. Weld it up right here and then have this just poking out the back. Girthy. It's definitely not lining up.
You might need to change that positioning.
Yeah, like this.
Jesus Christ.
Something ignorant. Something ignorant. This is very ignorant. This would work.
You know, we never even updated everybody on this.
Oh yeah, I got another Miata. After I
Yeah.
went through two other cars, one didn't really work properly, and the other one caught fire. So
Yep.
we won't get into it too much, but yeah, shit. She got fucked up. Wasn't fun.
Ha. Ha. Alright, well, I'm out of here. He's gonna stay here and do what he's gonna do to...
content for your sellout channel.
What?
Ah, you can't even
What?
zoom in because your phone's gay.
Next time on Shit Show.
Wait. I want to zoom in on your camera. Tell them out, Nick. Whoa!
Vlogception.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm out of here. I'm leaving Shit Show. I'm not gonna be your editor anymore. I'm out of here. You know,
Goodbye, pussy lips. That's it.
okay.